Hi there, I'm Ouviña. In this video I show you how to make a little press that's also a template for making notebooks. First, I found the measures I wanted for the notebook and cut some thick MDF with some margin at one side. Then I drill 2 holes at the margin to place 2 screws. Then I cut and drill some thin MDF with the same measures, and then cut it again to split the margin from the notebook template. I glued the margin part to one of the press boards and the template to the other. Then I placed the screws and these cool knobs and let it dry. I sanded the edges until flush and rounded the corners. After some decoration, the press is finished. Then it was the time to test it. I took 3 sheets of 45 by 30 centimeters and folded once. Some cuts later, I ended up with 12 sheets of 18 by 15 centimeters. For the covers, I used some fake black leather. Folding the 12 sheets will result in a notebook of 48 pages. I assembled all the notebook and inserted it in the press. Then I realized that the bigger, thin MDF part wasn't padding to press correctly, so I took it apart. The other part, at the margin, was necessary to act as an inner limit for the notebook. After tightening the press, I cut flush the excess of paper with a razor blade. The press can be also used to cut some holes for sewing the whole notebook. I used nylon thread to sew it tight. You'd probably know the field notes. Well, it is very difficult to find it in Spain, so I've made this press to make my own field notes. But you can customize the press and modify the measures and use any material for the pages and the covers. My choice was an art sketch paper that I use a lot, and for now I've made one with fancy lettered covers and another with a recycled paper bag that shows some sandwiches ingredients. But you can use your creativity to make your own custom notebook.